Are you ready for a burst of color and creativity?
Look no further than ColourArte's quarterly educational event for spring.
Do you mean the Abundance of Color educational event?
Yes, featuring 16 artists, premiering April 16th, live on YouTube.
This is the perfect opportunity for you to learn some new techniques.
Connect with fellow artists and be inspired by a variety of styles.
Each YouTube artist will be hosting their own premieres live,
where you can ask questions about tips and tricks.
And the best part? You get to win prizes in every single artist channel,
including a mega prize of a $400 shopping spree.
You just need to watch all 16 Premiere Live videos.
Write down the secret words that form the secret phrase.
Using high-quality paints and pigments from ColourArte will make your art come alive.
Don't miss out on this opportunity to enhance your skills
and win amazing prizes.
Sign up now for ColourArte's Abundance of Color educational event. Don't forget to click the link in the description. See you on April 16th, so make sure you mark the day.
See you there.
See you there.
See you there.
See you there. See you there.
See you there.
See you there.
See you there.